Welcome to our guide on blog monetization in 2025. Discover how to harness AI tools to boost your blogging income. Canva Magic Write is designed to simplify content creation with its powerful features like personalized prompts and integrated design tools. On the other hand, Hypotenuse AI focuses on generating high-quality, SEO-optimized content with just a few clicks. Let's compare the strengths of both tools, Canva Magic Write's design capabilities versus Hypotenuse AI's content generation prowess. Each tool serves specific use cases, Canva for creative projects, Hypotenuse for quick and effective text production. Understanding the pricing is crucial. We'll break down the cost structures of both tools to find the best value. User experience is key. Let's explore how each tool performs in terms of interface design and ease of navigation. We must consider SEO performance. How does each tool stack up in terms of optimization abilities? Let's look at real-world case studies where bloggers have successfully utilized these tools to monetize their platforms. In conclusion, both tools offer unique advantages. The choice depends on your blogging style and needs. Which one will you choose?